Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some beef pepper steak. On this board I have some carrots, shredded carrots, white onion, I have some parsley, fresh parsley, I have some ginger and garlic, bell pepper, I have the red and the orange, I also have some scallion, I have some I have cayenne pepper, black pepper. This is the pepper steak, the steak that I will be using. This is shredded steak. Alright, I get this from Aldi's. You can check it out for those who live in the Brooklyn area. Aldi's I get it from. I have some complete seasoning and some garlic powder. Alright, so I just open the pack and I'm gonna put this into the cannery with a little water and let it boil out, and I will throw away that water because I don't need the fat. Okay, and then I will add my seasoning to it as we proceed. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna add the beef now into the in the pan, the cannery, and I'm gonna let this boil. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of vinegar, this is my choice, and a little bit of salt, and let it boil out. Okay, so now I'm gonna strain this off, throw off this, and then I'm gonna come right back and start the next step. Alright, so now that the oil is hot, because I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, and that is to give it a color. And also I will be adding some soy sauce into this menu. So I'm going to fry this up a little, not too long, because this is a man that gets out of hand. Starting to pop out to the pot. I'm going to add some garlic and ginger that I have here. Again, this is optional, you don't have to use this, along with some of the onions, cut up onion. And then I'm going to add the beef. I just letting this onion cook a little, maybe for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the beef. Right? So now I'm going to add the beef. Right. Fry it up. Serve with a knife. I'm going to add some soy sauce. Complete seasoning. Season it up now. Pepper flakes and garlic powder. Black pepper and cayenne pepper. Okay, I'm going to add a little ketchup into this. I'm going to add the ketchup. I'm going to add some carrots with the pepper. Okay, and I have some fresh parsley, scallion, and some parsley onion. pepper steak. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Pepper steaks. I'm sorry, guys. Pepper steak. My mistake. Okay. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. And please look forward for the next video, which I will be bringing some raisin rice. All right. That's it. Thank you again for your patience, for the time that you take to view my channel, for your support. I appreciate that. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye. I will be serving this pepper steak with the roller, and I will be adding some mayonnaise, and some ketchup. Alright? Your choice. I don't like too much of the mayonnaise, and you could put it on both sides. Your choice again. And this is a pizza knife I'm using. And the ketchup. A lot of kids like the ketchup. I love it too. And then you cover it. And voila. Okay. If you want, you can cut it in two, or you can eat it just like that.